Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
Monkey's Alphabet Adventure in the Rainforest.
Max the monkey loves exploring the rainforest and learning new things. One sunny morning, while swinging from tree to tree, he discovers a magical map. The map reveals a hidden treasure, which can only be found by following the alphabet trail from A to Z. Adventure begins. Max sets out on his journey, joined by Lola the parrot, who can help him find clues, and Rico the raccoon, who is great at solving puzzles. Together, they embark on an exciting adventure through the rainforest. A for ants. Max finds a trail of ants leading to an anthill shaped like the letter A. They follow the ants and learn about teamwork. B for berries. In a berry bush, they collect bright, juicy berries while learning the importance of sharing. C for crocodile. By the river, they encounter a friendly crocodile who teaches them about patience and carefulness. D for dragonfly. They follow a sparkling dragonfly through a maze of reeds, learning about agility and focus. E for elephant. In a clearing, they meet an elephant who helps them understand the value of strength and kindness. F for frog. Near a pond, they leap with frogs and learn about adaptability. G for gorilla. They find a family of gorillas who show them the importance of family and protection. H for honey. They discover a beehive full of honey and learn about hard work and dedication. I for iguana. In the trees, they spot an iguana who teaches them about camouflage and observation. J for jaguar. They follow a jaguar's footprints and learn about stealth and caution. K for koala. They find a koala, visiting from another forest, who teaches them about rest and relaxation. L for lemur. They swing with lemurs, learning about agility and teamwork. M for monkey. Max leads the way as they find a group of monkeys, emphasizing the importance of leadership and community. N for nest. They find a nest high up in the trees, learning about care and nurturing. As they reach the midpoint of their journey, they encounter Zara the zebra, lost and looking for her way back home. Max and his friends decide to help Zara while continuing their alphabet quest. O for owl. They meet a wise old owl who teaches them about wisdom and knowledge. P for parrot. Lola introduces them to her parrot family, who show the importance of communication. Q for quail. They follow a quail and learn about being quick and alert. R for raccoon. Rico shares his clever tricks, emphasizing resourcefulness. S for snake. They encounter a snake who teaches them about caution and respect for all creatures. T for toucan. They admire the toucan's colorful beak and learn about diversity and beauty. U for umbrella tree. They find shelter under an umbrella tree during a rainstorm, learning about safety and protection. V for vines. They swing on vines, learning about flexibility and fun. W for waterfall. They discover a stunning waterfall, learning about the power and beauty of nature. X for X-ray fish. In a clear stream, They see X-ray fish and learn about transparency and seeing beyond appearances. Y for yak. They meet a yak, another visitor, who teaches them about endurance and strength. Z for zebra. They help Zara find her way home, learning about friendship and helping others.
Having completed their alphabet adventure, Max, Lola, and Rico return to their part of the rainforest with Zara, feeling proud of their journey. They share their stories and knowledge with other rainforest animals, inspiring everyone to learn and explore.